Okay, so let's remember that not only yeah এটা পুরোটা লিঙ্ক কি হ্যাঁ ও সেটা অলগা লিঙ্ক কি ওকে 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 গট ইট Liz, how is your school? Online classes? Okay, okay, okay. Sabri is happy. How are you? Good to see you. You are going to office every day or from the school you are teaching? Okay. In our okay. 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 Yeah. मौसा join कर लेकी मौसा मौसी. Okay. So I am almost done. We'll just I mean, if any question or anything, or we'll discuss. So the okay. So the second eternal reward, द्वितीय अनंत पुरस्कार जोटा प्रभु এই मंडली को प्रमिज करछन्ति सेटा होची नूतन नाम लिखित एक श्वेत प्रस्तर धला श्वेत प्रस्तर तांको देबु तेणु जी आमे मुझे जंती कहली आमे नाम in this world we want to make a name for ourselves, right? Many of us are so thirsty to make a name for ourselves. आमे এই जीवन रे गोटे नाम कमेवा पई आमे क्षुधित हो जाई थाउ बा तृषित हो जाई थाउ तेणु गुड़े जीवन गुड़े विषय आमे एंगेज हो जाऊ आमे भाबुजे केमती लोक माने केमती मन रखिबा बा आम गोटे केमती लोक को सामने रे गोटे केमती सम्मान पाइबु ता नाम कमेबु बोली से सब जिंस हम कोन गोटे गोटे आत्मिक मूर्ति पूजा विषय रे नै जाय सेटा नाम कमेबाटा गोटे बहुत क्षुधार विषय गोटे तृषार विषय. It is a very, people are very thirsty to be famous. People are very thirsty, very hungry to be famous, and because of that thirst and hunger, it becomes the idol of our life. We start doing things, we engaged in activity that takes precedence over Jesus, that becomes more important than Jesus, that becomes more bigger than Jesus, and they become the idols of our life. So Jesus knows why Christians go after, so many famous pastors, so many great servants of God, at some point of time, they are after making a name for themselves. They are promoting, advertising themselves, how to make their name big, how to get many invitation, how to make a lot of money, how to have this, how to have that. That is a thirst even for Christians. Christians are not free from that temptation, and that temptation becomes a idol in our life. Okay, so there is ample example of how Satan deceives to go after making a name, and then it makes us an idol worshipper, spiritual idol worshipper. Of course, we don't bow down to photo and trees and stones and like this or idols, but we bow down to things of this world. And Jesus says, I will expose your sin and I will help you to overcome, and if you repent, परामर्शरे लिखचंती मन परिवर्तन करो, if you repent of that desire, worldly desire, तमे जदि सेई सांसारिक इच्छा को जदि तमे मन परिवर्तन करिके ता ऊपर विजय प्राप्त करिवो ताले कोन करबी तमे ए जीवन रे नाम कमाइबा पई जो जिनस पछरे पडिथिलो बा मूर्ति पूजा रे पडि जाइथिलो, किंतु ता ऊपर जेहेतु तमे ता ऊपर विजय प्राप्त हल तेणु तुमर नाम को गोटे श्वेत प्रस्तर रे लिखिबी आमेन सो this is a very real temptation especially for young people like me and Shepherd Robert to how to be famous, how people should know to us, how many people should follow us in Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, how many people should invite us here and there. We should become very great, in the same way. I think it is for everybody. ମୁଁ ଏଟା କରିବି ସେଟା କରିବି ସେଟା କରିବି ଯେ ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କ ସାମ୍ନାରେ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ନାମ କମେଇବା ଦରକାର, ଲୋକମାନେ ମୋତେ ରେସ୍ପେକ୍ଟ କରିବା ଦରକାର, ଲୋକମାନେ ମୋତେ ସମ୍ମାନ କରିବା ଦରକାର। ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଏ ଥର୍ଷ୍ଟ, ଏଟା ଗୋଟେ ତୃଷା। এই তৃষা ଆମକୁ ମୂର୍ତ୍ତି ପୂଜା ଦିଗରେ ନେଇଯାଏ, କାରଣ Jesus becomes small and things of this world become bigger. So Jesus says, if you overcome this temptation of going after name and fame, I will write your name on a white stone. In other words, I will make you famous. Don't go after the famous of this world. Go after the famous that I will make you. Okay? I will write your name on a white stone. ମୁଁ ତମର ନାମକୁ ଏକ ଶ୍ୱେତ ପ୍ରସ୍ତରରେ ଲେଖିବି। ଆଉ ସେ ଯୋଉଟା ଲେଖିବେ that is the most beautiful, most important thing, most eternal thing. ଆଜି ଆମେ ଫେମସ୍ ହେଇଯାଇଥିବୁ, ଗୋଟେ ବଡ଼ ଚର୍ଚ୍ଚ କରିଦେଇଥିବୁ କି ବଡ଼ ମିନିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି କରିଦେଇଥିବୁ କି ବଡ଼ ପଇସା ବେଶୀ କମେଇଥିବୁ କି ବଡ଼ କାରରେ ଚାଲୁଥିବୁ କି ବଡ଼ ଘର କରିଥିବୁ କି ବଡ଼ ଇଏ କରିଥିବୁ ସେ କରିଥିବୁ, ଆମେ ମଲା ପରେ ସବୁ ଯିବ ଆଉ କିଏ ମନେ ରଖିବେ ନା କି there is nothing permanent in this world but the name that Jesus will write me, the famous that Jesus will make me। जो मोर नूतन नाम जोटा जीशु श्वेत प्रस्तर लिखिबे से नाम केबे मिटबो नाही, because that is eternal, सेटा सदा पाए, सेटा सब दिन पाए। एंड गोटे विश्वासी भाव रे मु इच्छा करबा दरकार जे केमती जीशु मो नाम लिखबे, दुनियार लोक मान मोर नाम को जानंतु कि न जानंतु कि मु फेमस कि न फेमस हुए कि न हुए कि मु एटा करे कि न सेटा न करे, मात्र जीशु को नजर रे, जीशु को राज्य रे, जीशु को सामना रे मु सेई नाम पाइबा दरकार। सेई नाम को समस्त लोक जाने, सेई नाम also name also means responsibility, privilege। So when Jesus returns to this earth, he is going to distribute responsibility to us। Why people put a name in front of their office door? Okay, many people want to be IAS because in front of their office so and so IAS। Okay, why? Because that is a name, everybody is after name, right? So people, in order to many people have no time for the gospel, no time to think about God, no time for spiritual life, no time, because they are busy for name, right? And that has become the idol of their life, even many Christians। But Jesus said, don't go after those idols, repent those idols, I will give you the real name। In my kingdom I will write your name on a white stone। Okay, not just in front of some office but the entire kingdom। He will reward us, he will magnify us, he will make us famous, he will advertise us that the world cannot give, that nobody can give, only he can give। So we have to desire for that kind of reward। But if we go after the name of this world, nobody will, we will go to heaven। आमे जदि से भलिया जिनस मान पछरे दौड़ुथबु ताले जेहेतु आमे प्रभु जीशु को द्वारा क्षमा पाइछु, आमे स्वर्ग को जीवु, से जेरूशलेम न्यू जेरूशलेम नगरी को जीवु, किंतु कोन हबो हमको केई जान नथिबा, हम गोटे को कोण रे पड़थिबु। प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दैट इन हेवन, स्वर्ग रे समस्त को सब जिनिस एका मात्रा रे दिया जाय नहीं बा दिया जीव नहीं। साधु पाउलो लिखिचंती, everybody has different glory, sun, moon, stars have different glory, every resurrected person will also have different glory, and that glory will depend on our overcoming in this life। एई जीवन रे आमे केमती अनेक सब टेम्पटेशन अनेक सब नकारात्मक गुण को केमती आम ओवरकम कलु आमर ग्लोरी से हिसाब रे डिसाइड हम आमेन तो वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड that we want the glory of heaven, not the glory of this world. We want the famous of that Jesus will make me, not the famous of this world. I want the richness of heaven, not the richness of this world. I have to overcome this. Otherwise, very easy to become idol worshipper. Even as a Christian, विश्वासी हे करबी आमे मूर्ति पूजा रे पड़ी जीवाटा किछि बड़ कथा नहीं. There are the Christian लोक अछंती. If you look at their heart, there are many idols, and many a times there are idols in our heart, in our life. I think about myself. I am so important. I can do. I do this, that. I do that. People should think about me. People should praise me. People should glorify me. People should respect me, because I am become so big. I become my own idol. ମୁଁ ନିଜେ ନିଜର मूर्ति हो जाए आ निजकू निज विषय चिंता करुथिबी अरे मो विषय लोक एमती भावुचंती लोक एमती कहउचंती people think about like this how famous I am how people are respecting me how people are looking for me I become my own idol many a time so we have to break that idol we have to repent of that idol we have to understand that Jesus will come and fight against me with the double-edged sword, and it will be painful if I don't repent. Okay, then there will be many difficult situations in my life through which Jesus will try to say, "I love you. That's why I'm giving you difficulty. I love you. That's why I'm bringing all this difficulty through my double-edged sword in your life. It is painful, but think carefully, and you repent, and I will make you truly famous." So. I think for today आज पाई एतिकी enough समय हो गलानी अपन माने खाना पीना भी कर नथिबो मो भी खाई नै so let's stop here sorry took little more time but I think so what do you think are these things important for our life I mean should we